Okay, I'm having another look at Dr. Stiffler's SFM, and of course mine is still not right. I found some magnets, but they're not the right type, they're not the thick types that he showed. And also my connections are completely different really, but I am using a signal generator. This only goes up to 9 megahertz, and I believe he said 28.573 megahertz was it? Something like that was the frequency that his magnets seem to resonate at and produce the light. Now what I've found, now I'll tell you the connections first. What I've actually got is my output goes to the positive output of the diodes, and the negative is going into the two connected half parts of the coil. I've got the one side separated from the other by this bit of plastic there. But it's not really doing a great deal. I can still move these magnets around, and I do get a very slight change, but it's not really noticeable. The point is I'm getting the LED to light partially, and at, if this will focus in, 3.42 megahertz. Now if I change that, if I use this at the top and I change it down, say if we go down, what I'll do is I'll keep doing that and you'll see that light change. If I go back up to 3.42, which I'll just do now, and I'll do this in a bit of a better way in a minute, if I go down, 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 there is about the best, and you should have seen that actually brighten on the screen. So just to show what I'm doing, there's the 3.42. So if I go the other way, upwards to 9 megahertz, there we go, it dims off. I can bring it back, try and get it to its brightest. I'll do this by eye, that seems to be quite a bright one, and we're there at 1.38, but if I carry on going up, you see how it's changing, and coming in again. There we are, about the brightness there, and let's see what that is. 3.27, notch it again, 3.42. So it's in that area for the brightness on this LED, and I thought that was really quite fascinating all in itself. That at 3.42 megahertz we're getting that from that LED. Now also if I disconnect this on the back, there doesn't seem to be a change, but I don't suppose there will be because it's already being grounded by coming in. The ground is actually coming in, as I say, to the connection of the two halves of the coil. If I disconnect that, the thing goes off and I can't connect this and get anything on the LED. I've not tried, but I don't suppose I can connect it anywhere else either. Bit of live testing here, including sticking to the magnets. No, only when I, or seemingly so far, only when I connect to there will the LED come on. But it is some kind of a progress in a small way, now that I'm able to use up to 9 megahertz. And I was hoping to find, you know, maybe some kind of beat frequency thing where it might work, and maybe this is it, maybe this is what it is. 3.42 might be something to do with that LED itself or the coil that I've made. I don't know yet, but I just thought I'd pass that on. It might be of interest. Okay, thanks for watching.